Want to create a professional website for your assignments or projects quickly? Today, I'll show you how to do it step by step using WordPress, even if you are a beginner. First, choose a domain name and hosting service. Many providers offer one-click WordPress installation. Once installed, log into your WordPress dashboard. This is where you'll manage your entire website. Next, pick a theme that suits your assignment website. You can browse free or premium themes in the WordPress repository. Select one and click Activate. Your theme sets the overall design and layout. Now, create essential pages like Home, Assignments, Resources, and Contact. Go to Pages, click Add New, enter your content, and publish. You can organize them in menus for easy navigation. Enhance your site with plugins. For assignments, you might use plugins for forms, file uploads, SEO, or analytics. Simply go to Plugins, search, install, and activate the ones you need. And that's it. With WordPress, you can quickly create a professional-looking assignment website without coding. Start exploring your theme and plugins, and you're ready to share your work online. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Sunshine Digital Services for more tutorials.